In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on a MacBook Air 13. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your Finder. You can do this by just going on to your dock right here, or you could just hit Command Space and then just search for Finder on here. Hit enter to open it up, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to look on your left hand sidebar right here. Go ahead and find applications on here, and in this application section you're going to see a list of every single app currently installed on your Mac. Let's say I want to delete an app, for example, we'll say Roblox right here. Go ahead and select it. And then if you right click, you're going to see that there's not like a delete app option on here. Instead, there is a move to trash option. You can go ahead and select this, or what you can also do is just hit Command Delete, and it's going to immediately remove that app. From here, what you're going to want to do, and I'm going to undo this real quick since I'm not trying to delete Roblox, is just go down to the bottom right of your dock and just right click on it, or do that 2-finger click, hit empty trash, and it's going to immediately go ahead and remove that app, assuming that it's still in your trash for you and that you didn't undo it. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and delete apps here on a MacBook Air 13. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.